3 a.m. Kaya papunta na kami immigration. So, ang round trip flight ticket namin is around 16,000. Included na yung travel tax. And 3, 2, 1.
I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the goal.
See you
We
back
stand
after
on
4
the
hours.
opposite shore. Hello, no. I saw the city passing by my window.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ngurah Rai International Airport in Denpasar, Bali, Indonesia.
Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was
Update, it is now 8:27 a.m. and kakaland lang namin dito. Actually, yung round trip airport transfer namin, nabook na ng friend ko. Yung driver, nag-aantay na sa labas kasi siya, madami siyang kakilala dito sa Bali. Buti may mga tour guide kami ng mga kaibigan niya, kaya excited na ako. I know later meron kaming cooking class around 2 or 3 p.m. Pagkatapos namin ma-pick up ang luggage, dumiretso na kami sa immigration tapos nag-fill up lang nitong e-customs declaration. Paglabas namin, sinalubong na kami ng aming driver. First stop, magpapa-exchange muna kami ng currency from USD to Indonesian money. Dito kami dinala ng aming tour guide. Diyan. Sabi niya, okay naman daw yung palitan. Second stop. What's our second stop?
She's millionaire in Indonesia. You know that? Oh my god!
We're millionaires. We are gonna drink some coffee because we haven't slept. Welcome to Domba Coffee!
This animal is luwak.
Yes, it's kopi luwak. It looks like a poop kasi poop naman talaga siya. Lol. In this factory, we tried 3 different coffees. Yung Arabica and Pea Berry, free lang yon. But then we wanted to try the kopi luwak for the experience and it's quite expensive. For a cup of luwak coffee, it's around 1,200 pesos. Pero ang sarap ng lasa. Sobrang smooth and light. Smooth lang.
Better Kmart.
Our third stop is Krishna. It's a local market here in... Where are we? Is this still Denpasar? No. It's a local market here in Kuta. Good morning! Let's go check what's inside. Nung nag-arrive kami sa Canggu, bumili na kami ng SIM card. It's around 800 pesos and it's 25 GB. Tapos dumiretso na kami sa villa namin. Nandito na kami sa aming accommodation, Turtle Villas. Time check, it's 11:45. At naghahanap lang kami ng pwede makainan kasi hindi pa ready ang villa namin. Kaya maghahanap lang muna kami ng makakainan. Doon kami pupunta sa Waru. Street food siya ng Indonesia. Ang ganda ng mga restaurants and accommodations, mga hotels, villas dito sa Canggu kasi very aesthetic siya. Medyo traffic lang dito kasi maliliit yung mga kalsada nila. Ito may mga street foods. Pero dun kami sa unahan banda. I'm gonna get this one. Thank you. Chicharon. And then gulay-gulay. Ito para siyang lechon. Ayan yung soup. Para siyang tinola. Bon appetit! Try natin. Yung soup. Para siyang tinola pero spicy. This one. Ano to? Ito. Mas namit. Ang lechon nila may buhok pa. Dito muna kami kumain sa Warung Babe kasi gusto naming matry yung local food nila. And for this meal, yung binayaran namin is around 100 pesos at masarap naman siya. Ang sarap ng anghang kasi parang nangangagat. Time check, it's 1 p.m. Nagaantay lang kami na ma-ready ang room kasi check-in time is 2 p.m. Nandito lang kami ngayon sa pool area nagaantay. Yung mga bisita dito sa Turtle Villas, usually halos lahat pala. Mga puti, kami lang yung Pinoy dito. Sobrang pagod na ako, hindi pa ako nakatulog simula kahapon. Kasi sa plane, hindi din ako nakatulog kasi medyo grabe yung turbulence kasi cloudy. Magpa-power nap lang kami. And then at 3 p.m. meron kaming cooking class. Hi guys! Welcome to our room. Mag-room tour tayo. So, this is our bed. Meron kaming microwave, fridge, and then this is our sink. May coffee. Tapos dito naman ang shower. Shower area, and then toilet. Magpila na yun, di ba?
Around 2,000 peso per night.
Yun lang ang aming munting room for this Bali trip for 7 nights. Bye! Hi guys! Ngayon papunta na kami sa Budewi kasi meron kaming cooking class. Let's go! All of these. For this cooking class, we paid around 2,250 pesos per person and yung mga niluto namin ay stir-fried tempeh vegetables, beef rendang, chicken satay, spring rolls, and for dessert, we had pandan rolls. And the best part is, after naming maluto lahat, kami din yung kakain, kaya sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami. So, kakatapos lang ng aming cooking class, bali yun na yung dinner namin. Sobrang worth it siya, guys. Good morning, guys! Day 2 here in Canggu, Bali. And today, nag-order kami ng floating breakfast. Ngayon, nagsiset up na sila sa swimming pool. Kaya tara, let's check it! Hi guys, it's 1 p.m. and hindi na kami magla-lunch kasi nag-breakfast na kami kanina. Yung floating breakfast na yon, yun na yung brunch namin. Ngayon, mag-ikot-ikot lang kami dun sa mga shops nila banda para mag-check lang. Baka mag-snacks din kami dun. Kaya, let's go! Lasa siyang mango shake ng Indonesia kasi may turmeric din kasi to eh. Pero masarap. Dinner time! Papunta kami ngayon sa Penny Lane kasi nag-search ako sa TikTok kung ano yung mga magagandang kainan dito and yun yung parang number 1. ordered steak and sadly it was a bit dry, but my friend ordered a burger and masarap naman. For my dinner, I paid around 1,500 pesos. Good morning guys! This is our day 3 here in Canggu and today pupunta kami sa Ubod. Pupunta kami exactly sa Kritya and then sa Alas Harum. Yun yung parang famous din na beach club and then pero hindi siya sa beach, parang sa rice terraces siya. Yun yung view mo. And then, yung famous na swing dito sa Bali. Buti na lang, lumabas yung araw kasi kagabi, umulan na naman. Pero sabi ng friend ko, normal lang daw yan dito sa Bali na umuulan sa gabi. Today, wala kaming babayaran when it comes to transportation kasi pipick upin kami ng friend ko kasi taga dito siya sa Bali, Balinese siya. And may sasakyan din siya. Diba, ang ganda mag-explore pag kasama mo talaga yung local kasi syempre alam nila kung saan yung mga magagandang pupuntahan dito. I'm so excited! See you later! Bye! Finally, after an hour, we arrived here in Kritya. Bago kami pumasok, nagbayad muna kami ng entrance fee ng 150 pesos kasama na yung pool doon. We are going to the swing and the rice field. Kailangan muna namin pumili ng dress dyan sa likod. Tapos magbabayad kami doon sa gilid. The dress is 175,000 IDR and then ang angel swing 200,000.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy.
I'm done! We're going to Kritya para mag-lunch. Grabe lang yung workout dito, lakad kung lakad. Kasi syempre, rice terraces. Wow, ganda dito!
Honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you.
Nandito na kami sa restaurant nila. Mag-order lang kami ng lunch. Pero kung kukuha kayo ng kabana, may ano siya, minimum spend. 2 million to 4 million yung kabana nila sa baba. So, yung gagawin namin is, bababa na lang kami mamaya para mag-swimming. Kasi yung binayad namin kanina sa entrance fee, included na din naman yun sa swimming dun sa baba.
To make me feel right, I can't help that the sweet.
Hi, Sinta! Hi! Oh, nice camera! Hi guys! It's dinner time. Kakauwi ko lang galing Ubod. Pero yung friend ko, sumama siya dun sa ka-workmate niya, yung nag-drive sa amin kanina. And ako naman, mag-ikot-ikot lang ako dito. Pero nung pauwi na ako, may nadaanan akong parang market-market, mga nagbebenta ng mga clothes, ganun. Kaya gusto ko siyang i-check. Oh my God, buti na lang tumigil na yung ulan. Kaya maglalakad na lang ako. Dalawang isip pa ako kung mag-grab ako or maglalakad. Pero wala, tumigil yung ulan, kaya maglakad tayo. Can I order one chicken satay? Chocolate. Thank you. Grabe, may inasalan dito sa harap ko. Pwede ka mag-asal-asal. Cute! Day 4 here in Canggu and today pupunta kami sa Pineda. Mag-island hopping kami. It is now currently 6:30 a.m. Nandiyan na yung driver namin sa labas. Let's go! We are going to the harbor now! Pero 8 a.m. pa alis yung boat, yung ferry. Coffee! Ang ganda ng pier nila. Di ba, Bu?
Yeah.
Aircon pa.
AC. And ano, pas may second floor.
Para ano daw yata at sakyan, Bu?
Pongga.
experience namin sa boat ride. Basta from Harbor Port papunta dito kasi nasa taas kami. Kaya pag sumakay kayo next time, make sure nyo na nasa taas kayo. Kasi parang party boat siya.
Yes.
Binigyan pa kami ng beer nung isang pasahero doon. Enjoy talaga kami. Ang ganda ng ride papunta dito. Magsa-start na ang island hopping namin. Sorry, what's our first location?
Manta Bay.
Manta Bay. And then?
Crystal Bay.
Crystal Bay.
Gamad Bay.
Gamad Bay.
And Wall Point.
Wall Point. Okay. Thank you. Snorkeling time. First stop is Crystal Bay. Mag-snorkeling lang kami dito. Let's go! Third stop is Puyo Beach. Ligo lang ulit. Actually, mabibilis lang kami sa mga pinuntahan namin. Like 15 minutes, minsan 30 minutes. Kasi malalakas din yung current. Pero hindi ko alam, baka ganun din talaga yung duration ng stay for each beach. Third stop is Broken Beach. Right, Blee? Broken Beach.
Right.
And then after,
We go to Angel Billabong.
Angel Villabong.
Yeah. Actually, we go to Angel Billabong first and then to Broken Beach.
Ah, okay. Ito na yung Angels Villabong. Ah, yeah. And that's the end of the Nusa tour. Yes, bye-bye. We are back at the harbor. There. Babalik na kami ng Canggu. Yung last trip pala ng boat is at 4:30. Every 30 minutes may umaalis naman, pero last trip is at 4:30. Day 5 here in Canggu. Binitbit ko na lang yung breakfast ko. Ngayon, papunta kaming Ubod para mag-ATV and water rafting. Nandiyan na yung driver namin sa labas. Kaya let's go! Oh my God, finally nakarating na din kami! Grabe yung walk pababa. How much more na lang yung paakyat mamaya. 2 hours daw na water rafting.
That's right.
Merienda time! Merong shop dyan na pwede kayong bumili. Pero syempre, magbabayad kayo. Kasi yung included lang is lunch. Can I have one? Lamb visit? Thank you. Namin. Nagpalit na kami ngayon. Papunta kaming restaurant kasi included ang lunch. Nandito na kami sa next activity namin for today, ATV. Ganda ng init. Change outfit. Nakatapos lang namin mag-ATV. Ngayon papunta kami sa aesthetic na cafe. Anong pangalan?
While you are here.
While you are here. Let's go! It's massage time! Magpapamassage kami tonight. Body scrub and Balinese massage. 2 hours. Kasi bugbog yung katawan namin after all those activities. Nag-half bath lang kami, tapos alis na naman. Good morning! This is day 6 in Canggu and unfortunately, nagkasakit ako kaya dapat may sea walker activity kami today. Free lang naman yun ang guide namin kasi nag-book kami kanya ng 2 activities. Yeah, I'm not sure if, ano tawag? Bali. Ano tawag nila doon? Nakalimutan ko. Basta yun. Last night, after ng activity namin, after ng ATV, sumama yung pakiramdam ko. Alam ko nang lalagnatin ako. Tapos nagpa-massage kami. Tapos yun, like sobrang taas na ng lagnat ko. Now, medyo okay na. Pero masakit yung ulo ko. Tapos parang na LBM pa ako. Pero magpapahinga lang ako ngayon kasi mamaya may reservation kami sa Fins. Sana gumaling na ako. Ang sakit ng katawan ko dahil sa water rafting and ATV kahapon. Kaya kami nagpa-massage. And then afternoon, yun na. Nilagnat na ako. Update, it's 4 p.m. And I'm still sick! May diarrhea pa din. But we are going to Fins. Kaya get ready with me! Blush from Happy Skin. Lip tint.
When we wake, hear the
Nandito na kami sa La Brisa, magde-dinner lang, early dinner. And then after dito, pupunta kami ng Fins. Manonood lang kami dito ng sunset.
we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
Dito kami sa Fins Beach Club. Let's go party. Char!
Wake up, sunshine, the brightest sky. Find me on this journey. Leave your troubles far behind.
Still sick. Akala ko kagabi okay na ako, pero this morning, hindi pa pala. Nakailang balik na naman ako sa CR. Magta-transfer pala kami ngayon sa Seminyak. Kasi meron silang villa dun sa Seminyak, yung pinagsistayan namin. So, in-invite nila kami doon for free. We are now ready. Magta-transfer na kami sa Seminyak. It's called Villa Raka. So, let's go! So, we just arrived in Seminyak. Nandito kami sa Villa Raka. This is a 3-bedroom villa with 4-6. May kitchen. Ayan yung kitchen. And then, there's small pool. May bedroom din dito sa baba. Ayan. And then, meron din dun sa taas. Pero, hindi kami dito magsistay overnight. Doon daw kami sa kabilang villa. Magsushoot lang daw kami dito for content. And that's it. This is around 2 million. So, mga nasa, pila siya bu? 6K? Per night. With 4-6. Okay na siya sa price. Kasi sa inyo na yung buong villa. Ang lapad ng space. Tapos may maliit pa na pool. All good. Check natin yung kabilang villa. Nakabihis na ako kasi nandito na yung mga photographers. So, nice. Good morning. We're leaving Bali today. Kulang talaga yung 1 week. Ang ayaw ko lang is yung Bali-Bali. Ang laki kasi ng Bali, kaya kulang talaga. Yung driver namin papunta na pick up namin is at 5. And babalik na kami ng airport.
Can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving.
Bye, Bali.
this
It was nice
moment.
meeting you.
And we say